One thing I get asked frequently is, should I talk to an insurance company after a Texas car accident? The short answer is no, with very small exception if you're strictly talking about property damage. But the concern is that insurance adjusters are really good at what they do, and they'll start talking to you about things you want done quickly. Where are you going to get your vehicle fixed? Are you going to be able to get a rental? But then they'll slowly start shifting the conversation about you. Are you hurt? How are you feeling? Are you going through any pain or discomfort? And a lot of people will answer those questions without giving it a second thought, without realizing how important those questions or those answers will become later. That's where the problem starts, because you have to understand insurance companies are a business. Their job is not to make sure you're fully compensated and feeling well after an accident. Their job is to evaluate each claim and pay as little as they legally owe. Simply put, their interest and your interest are not the same. Your job is to make sure you're well and fully compensated after an accident. Their job is to pay as little as they possibly can. So that's why I tell generally people, do not talk to insurance adjusters after an accident before you talk to an experienced personal injury attorney. And let me explain why. Every case is different. You can have two people in the same accident and they will each suffer different type of injuries. You have to take account their medical history, their age, even the body position at the time of impact will make a difference. One thing I see insurance companies do is try to put everybody in the same box. Our job is to make sure you get your own box. Every case must be evaluated depending on your specific situation, not compared to everybody else. And there are times when the insurance company will either require or request a recorded statement. And if we do decide to move forward with that, we will prepare you for that conversation. Not to tell a certain version of the truth, but strictly to tell your truth and not be put into a trap that sets you in a box that's limited, that is not yours. So again, should you talk to an insurance company after a Texas car accident? Answer, no, very small exception. But it's always best to talk to an experienced personal injury attorney before you have any conversations with them. A short conversation with us today will save you a lot of headaches later.